Chatbots can output text, but how can they interact with the world around them? Let's take a look at how tools can allow chatbots to go beyond just outputting text. If you think about your ability as a human to navigate the world around you, you rely on your brain to think about what you want to do. But you also rely on the rest of your body, like your arms and legs, to actually interact with the rest of the world and also discover more about the world. So if you think about a large language model as a brain, you can give it arms and legs so that it can interact with the rest of the software world, such as access the internet or apps on your computer or phone. The software functions that a large language model has the ability to run are called tools. When a tool is included, the flow of inputs and outputs is a bit different than before. Let's look at how a large language model might call on a web search tool. Suppose you ask in a prompt, "Who broke world records at the Paris Olympics?" The model can choose to just answer this without using the tool, but it may also decide that since this question is about current events, it may need to do a web search. So the model outputs text that has a specific standard format. For instance, within curly braces, it has the keyword tool in all capital letters, followed by the name of the tool, web search. It also has the keyword query, followed by the query that should go into the web search. This is still text that's output by the model, but since it's formatted in a specific way, there's other software that can scan this completion, and when it recognizes that this is a request to use a function, it redirects this output, meaning that the user does not see this text. Instead, the chatbot runs the requested web search tool with the given query. Then the search results, as well as the request to answer the user's original question, gets sent as a prompt to the model. The model can now answer the question with the additional information, and that answer is sent back to the user.